Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, July the 25th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Outlook.com that even though it probably says beta still on your interface, it's moving out of beta. It just added the dark mode, and even if you don't like the new experience, it's rolling out for the next several weeks to the new experience of Outlook.com, whether you like it or not. Mozilla executive says that Google has intentionally made YouTube slower on Microsoft Edge and on Firefox, and simply by using a API that is available only on Chrome that makes the websites as much as 5 times slower on other browsers. Of course, we are going to wait for the response of Google to this. Windows 10 has received a cumulative update. If you're running a Creators Update, Fall Careers Update, in April 2018 update, all the versions have a cumulative update now available, so it is interesting to see that there are lots of bug fixes once again. So just head on to your Windows updates and make sure you have the latest version. It might fix a problem that you have. Apple has acknowledged that there is thermal throttling in the new MacBook Pros that make it slower, but they say that a firmware is on its way that will actually fix this, and it's going to be interesting to see what it does exactly, because I mean, if it's really thermal design that's a problem, it's not necessarily a software fix that you need. Google Chrome 68 has launched, and it now tells you when websites are not secure, and if you want to learn more about it, I will be today, of course, reviewing the latest version of the Google Chrome browser. Well, 24 people in India have been arrested for a scam that is still going on strong. It's a scam where phishing emails are sent and pretend to be from the IRS or the Tax Revenue Service, and of course steal people's money. So this hopefully will actually work in maybe scaring them a little more, but you know, there's so much money to be done there that is just crazy. Well, a interesting look at the dark web is showing that hacking tools are kind of easy to purchase and, you know, create problems. How much does it cost to attack a business online or whatever? Well, it starts at $40 for hacking email, $50 for a distributed denial of service attack, $150 for hacking a website, and it goes on and on and on. And of course, all of this available in the dark web. Streamlio is a company that pretty much checks how business perform with their technologies and so on, and of course offers all sorts of consulting services. Well, a report that comes out from Streamlio says that companies would actually be far more efficient if they updated their tech tools and made it faster. It underlines the fact that the more powerful your systems are, the more business you will actually have and conduct. So this, of course, shows that you got to spend money to make money. Many are asking, what is exactly happening with Facebook and the way that it curbs fake news? There apparently is a lot of unknowns in there and mysteries, and a lot of people are kind of concerned of the free speech versus fake news versus how difficult all of this is happening. And of course, only Facebook knows. Android P is in its final phase of testing. This is the next version of Android that should be available soon now, because when it's reaching this phase, usually it is close to being released. And of course, yesterday we talked about the different Android versions, and Android Oreo 8, only 12% after a year, shows that hopefully, and you know, let's hope that the new version, with some of the new ways that Google wants to push them, will actually update faster. This was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, July the 25th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.